Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the text and a writable editor. Start by identifying what space you want removed and why it matters to output. Once done, scan for leading, trailing, or repeated spaces, then make a quick backup or copy to avoid mistakes. Next, use the editor's Find or Rejects tool to target patterns, or use a simple trim function in code. Make sure to preview changes before committing so you don't remove meaningful separators. Now apply targeted removals. Use rejects patterns. Replace multiple spaces with single space using \s+2 for most text, or \s+ and \s+$ for trim on lines. Once done, run a second pass to collapse tabs and mixed whitespace by converting \t to space, then normalizing. Make sure to preserve intentional separators like commas or indentations by reviewing contextual matches. Finish by saving changes and validating the final file. Once saved, compare original and modified versions with a diff tool to confirm only intended spaces changed. Make sure to run automated checks or linters to catch lingering issues such as double spaces after punctuation or altered code indentation. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup and isolate the failure by applying fixes to a small segment. A key troubleshooting tip: search for invisible characters like non-breaking space or zero-width space and remove them explicitly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.